Enabling two-factor authentication on Gmail adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into a Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to enable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section in the left-hand menu. This area contains various options related to your account's security settings. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the signing into Google section. Here, you will see an option for two-step verification. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Start the setup process. Click the Get Started button. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the setup. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving verification codes, such as via text message or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup, and make sure to save backup codes in case you lose access to your primary method. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Gmail account, enhancing its security. Remember to keep your recovery options updated to ensure you can access your account if needed.